NVTS stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So it's 12% down. Navitas Semiconductor stock is just like relatively sitting inside this range. And to keep it simple, it's still a bullish range, but I am also keeping an eye on the higher time frame chart. And to be perfectly honest, if I see a double break shift beneath these lows, then it's more so like a bearish side, you know. So how's that gonna look like? It is going down, going up, and then breaking those lows. If this actually happens, then and only then I'll actually take those shorts. I mean, without that double break and actual bearish shift, there's no way that I'm gonna short. So because higher time frame is still bearish side, you know. So this is only for now and not forever. It's my own opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.